What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic craft bucket server. This is pretty easy for someone that's done it quite a few times, so I'm just going to show you. But first, if I can get the capitals right, you make a folder wherever you want to pretty much keep it. I put it on my desktop, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call this server for the tutorial, but then you're gonna have to go on the link in the description. I'll leave this in the description. I repeat, this is dl.bukkit.org. This is the Bukkit website, basic enough, and this is a tutorial for 1.7.9, which is development build right now, but you can watch this in the future and I can guarantee it will still work. So what you want to do, you want to download. You can download which one you want. This will work for any Minecraft version. Basically, what you want to do is you download Craft Bucket, and what you want to do is you go onto your desktop where the folder is, the server file, and drag it in there. So yeah, this is your Craft Bucket file, and now what you really, well, it's what that bugs me. Rename it to Craft Bucket, because this will make life a lot simpler. So yeah, it will make it a lot simpler. That's all I can really say. But then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to make a new text document. Now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna edit this, and I've got another link down in the description for Pastebin. This is the code you put in here. So you'll copy that, you'll paste it in, and it looks a bit complicated, but this is why I told you to rename it craftbucket.jar. That should work. Now this edits your RAM. The amount of RAM you want on your server to pretty much make it faster, you edit. Now I'll have a link in the description to all the different RAMs and stuff. Yeah, but so yeah, mine I changed to 2048, which is the next one, which I have available on my computer. I could probably go a lot further, but when it's running all the time, it's probably going to take up quite a lot of memory. But then what you want to do is you want to put all files, and then you want to call it start.bat. Now you save this in there. Done. Now you close this, and then you delete that new text document so it's no longer needed. So now you've got two files. Now to pretty much start the server, just double click the start button, and this may take a while the first time you run it, which is pretty understandable. What this is basically doing is, as it says, loading the libraries, loading all the files for you to edit to create the server. This is the easy part, really. This is basic stuff. But yeah, as I said, this tutorial is for 1.7.9 right now, but will work for any Minecraft version. You just need to download the correct Craft Bucket. So that is done. Once it's done, close it. So now you're left with server. This is the properties file. Now this is where you edit pretty much what you want to do. And this is probably the trickiest part. So you've got so many files, like message of the day. I could just name it to CSHD server, if I can type. I still spell it wrong. So yeah, let's make it creative. 2, 1. Difficulty 3. PvP. Yeah. Okay, now we get to the hardest part. So now you've got a properties file. Now your server port is 25565. That will stay the same. That is the Minecraft port. But now you have to create your server, and this one is going to be a port forwarding tutorial. And how you do it is you go down here and you go on CMD. What you do is you type in ipconfig, and this will tell you IP4 address and whatever. You need to read. I think it's your default. Gateway, which is. And then you sign in with your internet password. Obviously, mine's Virgin. And you go in. On mine, this will probably be a lot different for other people, but I go in advanced settings, and then you need to go into port forwarding. Mine is already set up, but I'll show you how. So you basically go, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call mine Minecraft 2. Your start port and end port are the same because they're the default Minecraft ports. Protocol doesn't really matter. That pretty much stays the same. And now you want to read your IP4 address, which is there, right there. Probably blurred out for you, but it's 6. And then you add the rule. I'm not gonna really do that because I've already got mine. But anyway, once you've done that, once you've added the rule, applied it, then you go on to this again. Now, your server IP, what you just typed in there, you put in. So, mine is that. So, yeah. That is pretty basic. And then you save it. But then, what you want to do, this is the final part. To get onto your server, you have to put, what's my IP in Google? What's my IP address? It's there. It'll be blurred out for you, for obvious reasons. But yeah, I'm just gonna start Minecraft now. Brush this off. Start the server. Sorry about that. So now, as you probably see in the background, it says done. That means the server is ready. I'll just edit this. Edit my profile. Change it to 1.7.9 if you don't know how to do this. Pretty basic. Save the profile. Okay, so I'm on 1.7.9 now, not 1.7.5. See, that's working, but I've pretty much got to show you how. So you copy your IP address. Actually, I'll delete this. Add server. Put your IP address, then put a colon 25565. Done. And then you should be able to join. He says. See, I'm in. As simple as that. It's a Craft Bukkit server. It's so simple. So yeah, that's a lucky spawn. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you've learnt something new. So yeah, this is easy. I mean, you can do it yourself now. As I said, this is for all Minecraft versions. It'll work as long as you've got the right Craft Bukkit downloaded. So yeah, I'll link everything in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. And yeah, I'll see you next time.